back to the channel. Today I want to show you how you can easily start monetizing your social media handle with highlights from the current FIFA World Cup football match 2026. Okay, and this is it. You can see I'll be teaching you now how you can create this in few simple steps. You don't need to create the images yourself, you don't need to generate it yourself. The AI will write the script, generate the characters for you, and also create scene storyboard for you, which you all need to just to download and start posting on your social media. Okay, we have till July to, football is going on at the moment, and this is something that is going viral. So if you want to monetize your social media, stay to the end of this tutorial and I will show you how I did that. The AI tool we'll be using to create this is Google Flow. Okay, go to your Google Flow, sign in with your Gmail and click on new project. When you click on new project, allow it to open. Okay, Google have actually introduce new models and tools that we can use to make our content very easy. So you don't need to stress yourself. If you've not watched my previous tutorial on how to create storyboards, please go ahead. I will attach it above this video so you'll be able to watch it. Okay, so when you open your flow, you have to click on tools. All right, click on tools on the left hand side. When you click on tools, you just have to scroll down gradually. Okay, here you will see different kind of tools you can use now to create your content. If you want to create mock-up, if you want to edit, image editor, whatever, Google Flow have made things very easy for creators. Google Flow have made a lot of things easy for creators. So go ahead, you can try all these tools at your own spare time. But what we are looking for is the Storyboard Studio. You can see the Storyboard Studio. Go ahead and tap on the Storyboard Studio. This is where the content begins, because the AI agent on this particular studio actually understood the assignment. Trust me, it understood the assignment. Okay, all you need is just for you to imagine something and just input it. Okay, and the AI will instantly get to work and get your job done. Easy peasy. So here it will ask you to welcome to Story Studio. Welcome to Story Studio. You click on this arrow. Depending on what kind of visual style you want to illustrate your content. You want it 3D pixel style, you want it realistic, because I will be creating content about FIFA World Cup highlights. Okay, I would like to leave it in realistic. You can use any visual style of your choice, but I will leave it on realistic. Then you click on get started. Okay, get started, and this is where the work is. When you look above here, you will see that we have three steps to follow to create this. The first one is creating our script. The second one is creating our assets, which is creating the characters, the locations and all that. Then the next thing is putting it in a storyboard, which is creating it scene by scene to make sense to our audience. All right, so this is it. This place is where you input your prompt. I always just input the prompt as I'm creating this tutorial today is a World Cup. Okay, South Korea and Czech Republic have just played a match, and I want to create highlights from there. All right, that's what highlight I want. Remember, this tutorial is only highlights. Okay, and we'll be creating it in image form, things that happen in the match and all that. That's what we need. Okay, all you need once you paste in this is to click on generate, and the AI will start analyzing to write the script. You're not writing the script, it is writing the script on your behalf. How amazing is that? Please remember, if you're enjoying this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. This is a way you can start going viral, grow your follower, grow your audience this 2026, because World Cup is something that just happen in not regularly. Okay, I think it's every 4 years, so it's your opportunity to grow, because we have a lot of people interested supporting their fan, their countries. Okay, just for them to win this World Cup. And this is the highlight, what you are giving to the audience. As you can see here now, the AI has been able to giving me the title of this. Okay, this is it: South Korea versus Czech Republic, FIFA World Cup 2026. All right, you need to be specific. Yeah, World Cup. This is the prompt I put. So you just have to make sure your prompt aligns with my kind of prompt, so the AI will be able to understand what you're saying. So it has actually gone to break this down into different steps for me. Okay, different steps, preparing it for its own creation. All right, in a better way that the AI flow will understand the input. All right, so this is what it have generated. The next thing we have to do now is number 2, which is the assets. Okay, select the assets. Here you don't do anything, you don't create any image, you don't do anything. All you need is, here you can see characters, and these are the people that play in the match as of that match of that particular Czech Republic versus South Korea. Okay, and here you click on autofill characters. You just need to click on autofill. The AI will already build in the characters reference. Okay, it has already built it inbuilt. All you need is to autofill it, and they will start to create it in this box. Okay, give it some time to create. The same thing you will do on the location. Remember, World Cup I think is being played in different regions, different countries for now. So you need to autofill the location so that it will be able to pick the different stadium or different pitch where this incident, where this highlight actually occurred. Okay, so it will be able to actually capture all those moments. This is beautiful, guys. If you don't want to go viral 2026, you are the one holding yourself, because this is the moment you need to monetize your social media handle, guys. All right. I've been posting this on my social media, on my Facebook, my Instagram, TikTok, and my YouTube channel. It has been going so well. Trust me, it has been going so well. And it's something that you don't need to be an expert with faceless content to actually create this. The AI does the job for you. Okay. So let's allow it to create. So this is it, all right? Here, the characters who will appear on this particular. Remember, in a football, they have different highlights, okay? But the ones that will be involved here, you can see this is the one of the footballers from Korea. This one is from chess. This is the referee. This is Korean goalkeeper. These are all the footballers that will appear in this particular highlight, and this is the Czech Republic goalkeeper, and this is the commentator. All right, this is what we need. All right, and here you also have to autofill the location. We have different stadium that this highlights appeared. Okay, there is a particular stadium. In World Cup we have different stadiums, so you just have to know which one. And this is the commentators. You know post. So all these things are, now we have the prompts, which is the football, the actual football they use in the ball. One good thing with this is that you will be able to create your own image. Okay, you avoid copyright strikes when you are using this format to create your own football highlight. It's not that you are getting it from social media where other people have posted. This is your own work. All right, and this looks realistic. You can see this is the actual people, the players that were all involved in the football between South Korea and Czech Republic. Okay, so this is how you go ahead to do this. And next thing you have to do now is to click on the storyboard, which is the third step. Click on storyboard. So when you click on storyboard, you will understand that this has happened in different areas. Okay, this is the stadium. This is scene by scene. That's what Flow has broken down this prompt into. We have different scenes. All right, all you need to do now is to autofill the scenes. Okay, click on autofill the scenes. You don't need to do any creation, just allow it to generate on its own. This is beautiful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorial. I always give you beautiful and educational content, all right, that can actually, when you follow the step, it will yield you something. It will give you a lot of opportunity as a faceless content creator. So this is it. It's creating at the moment. Give it time to actually autofill the same. Oh my god, this is beautiful. So you can see the stadium, they play the football. These are the captains preparing for the match. Okay, this is the opening whistle, and this is the commentator, which is Elias, is on the mic. All right, this is a way you capture your audience. Okay, AI is making life easy for us. Even if you don't watch the match, you're still following from the highlights. All right, so these are all you need. Okay, I just have to autofill this. Just go ahead and keep autofilling all the scenes. All right, you generate as much as you want. You can see I have up to scene 7. All right, the next thing you have to do now is just to click on all media. Okay, let me allow this to finish generating. I don't want to interrupt it. Allow everything to generate. So this is beautiful. So once you've generated all your scenes, the next thing you have to do is to click on all media. So when you click on all media, all the medias will appear here. Okay, remember you have to start from the beginning of the stadium. Just click on download and download this as 1K resolution. Download everything you need. Okay, download all of them, and that will save to your device. So the next thing you have to do is just to bring all your image to CapCut. Use CapCut to align them together scene by scene. Add text if you want. Add slow zoom, wherever you want. Add anything you want to add. If you want to add music, add music to background. Or if you have a voiceover you've created, you can also add the voiceover under the images. Okay, this is it. All right, remember to add transitions in between. This is so beautiful and Okay, once you've had that, let's just watch the video. So this is highlight, and this is how you can start to monetize your social media handle. Once again, please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorial like this. See you in my next tutorial.